Go, go! Sige, lagi ako ng gikuan.
Zamboanga del Sur National High School Special Program in the Arts Music Major presents this certificate of appreciation to Mrs. Mary Grace D. Morales for her outstanding performance as the Zamboanga del Sur National High School Special Program in the Arts music teacher during the school year 2012 and 2013. Given this 23rd day of March 2013 at the Zamboanga del Sur National High School Avant-Garde or Music Room, Santa Maria District, City, Zamboanga del Sur, signed by the responsible President, Vice President, Secretary, and Treasurer of this major. Congratulations!
Yay! Hi guys! Yay! Omelto! Balik.
Piso mo!